Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we are going to be showcasing our DC-40T-UP-BCD-ANDON-EOP-WR wired loading bay door timer. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to manage the amount of time it takes to unload packages in postal services. And how it will work is the client attaches our magnetic sensor switch to a door, then as the door opens, it will start the up timer. Meanwhile, the client sets the desired time, or the threshold time I should say, via the BCD rotary switches with a flathead screwdriver. So I'm going to showcase the functions of this unit and how it is all meant to work and how it is all hooked up. So as you can see here, we have our magnetic sensor switch that is connected to the inside of the enclosure via an opto board. So I'm just going to lift up on this. This is to simulate the door opening. So once the door opens, it starts the up timer, as you can see, and we have it set to go off when it reaches 10. So once it reaches 10, or 11 I should say, the end of period alarm goes off for about 15 seconds, and the andon light goes off as well. So we're going to wait 15 seconds for the end of period alarm to go off, to shut off I should say. And as you can see, the andon light is still going on after the end of period alarm. So I'm just going to drop the magnetic switch on top of the base here, and as you can see, that stops the andon light, and it also pauses the time. So let's just say it would take normally 10 seconds to unload everything, but this time it took 38 seconds for them to unload everything. The client can set the desired threshold to count up to via our BCD rotary switches. As you can see right here at the top, the customer can set the desired minutes and seconds, and they can count up to a total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. So they would take a flathead screwdriver and they would just turn this knob. We're just going to have it set to count up to 20 seconds this time. So we have this thing now set to count up to 20 seconds. So 20 seconds is the threshold that we have set it to. So we're just going to pull up on the magnetic switch here. The door opens and the up timer starts and starts counting upward. Just going to drop down on that again. And those are the functions of this unit. So I'm just going to put the front end away for now, and I'm going to show you the inside of what this unit typically is. So as you can see right here, this is how we are able to add our input devices. So as you can see right here, this is our opto board right here, and it has 3 terminals, and we are primarily using terminal 1 for our magnetic switch. This is how the user would connect their device or our device into the enclosure via the opto board. So they would connect the red wire to +1, which is terminal +1, and they would set the black wire, which is the common wire, to -1. And the terminal accepts either a dry contact or a 5x30 or a 530 VCD PNP input. As the magnetic switch is opened, it will cause the up timer to count upward indefinitely until it either reaches 99 minutes and 59 seconds or until the magnetic switches connects to the base magnetic switch. And you can tell via this tag right here that says that all input contacts are either dry contact closures or 24 VDC or PNP sources, which is at 530 VDC. And the opto board allows the user to wire 24 VDC worth of power via the 24 terminal right here. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, its enclosure is a 14 gauge aluminum fingerprint resistant black powder coated enclosure. The display size is 4 inches that can be viewed up to a total of 200 feet away. The number of digits is 4 digits that can count up to a total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. Its power type is a 24 volt power connector with the opto base accepting 24 VDC via PNP source. For mounting, we have our teardrop knockouts on the back of the enclosure. And lastly, for accessories, we have our DC-EOP-BCD 7595, which sounds off at the set BCD rotary switches for 15 seconds once the uptimer reaches its threshold. We also have our DC door magnet 25, which is a heavy-duty garage door magnet, which is normally open contacts, and it's a magnetic sensor switch, and it comes with 25 feet of pigtail cord. And we also have our multicolored andon light at the top of the enclosure, which displays the color red once the uptimer reaches its threshold. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40T-UP-BCD-ANDON-EOP wired loading bay door timer. Thanks for watching.